I survived the endless cycle of quick fixes and complicated gym routines that left me feeling overwhelmed and disheartened. I spent too many hours on intense workouts and restrictive diets only to see minimal results. I saved both time and frustration by finding a simple, sustainable routine that truly works: a straightforward 30-minute daily walk combined with targeted belly fat burning exercises. Here's how I built my effective routine: daily 30-minute walk. I made it a habit to walk briskly for 15 minutes in the morning and another 15 minutes in the evening. This simple step boosted my metabolism and helped me stay active without feeling overexerted. Targeted belly fat exercises. Standing side crunches, great for targeting the obliques and slimming down the sides. Bicycle kicks. These engage the lower abs, helping to tone and strengthen. Seated leg lifts. Focuses on the lower abdominal muscles for a more sculpted look. I faced challenges. Some days I was too tired or too busy, but I got through by reminding myself of my goals and sticking to the plan. Tracking my progress with simple measurements and noting how my clothes fit kept me motivated. The results were impressive. Physically, I saw a noticeable reduction in belly fat and a more toned core. Mentally, I felt more energized and confident. This routine transformed not just my body but also my mindset. Are you in a busy life? Fresh Juice Original solves it. Make fresh smoothies anywhere with over 100 5-star reviews, plus enjoy free shipping. Check the link in the description to get yours now. If you're feeling like I was, start with this easy 30-minute walk and the targeted belly fat exercises. Consistency is key. Track your progress, stay motivated, and keep going. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve. If you're facing pain, low energy, or mobility issues, Strength Training for Seniors offers 45+ easy exercises to boost strength and confidence. Get your copy with 5-star reviews and free shipping now. Link in description. If you're looking to boost your fitness, the Fitness Tracker solves the problem of tracking your health metrics effortlessly. Monitor calories, steps, and sleep with this waterproof smart band. It's a game changer for staying on top of your fitness goals. Get yours now with 5-star reviews and free shipping. Click the link below.